In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Travelocity. If you've ever wanted to book a trip now and spread out the cost over time, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it smoothly and confidently. Start by searching for the travel you need on Travelocity. This could be a flight, a hotel, or a bundled vacation package. Compare options, check dates and cancellation policies, and make sure you're comfortable with the total price. When you've found the right choice, add it to your booking. Take a moment to review everything in your cart so the itinerary, traveler details, and final cost are all accurate before you move forward. Head to checkout and look for Affirm among the payment options. It may appear alongside credit cards and other methods. If you don't see it, double check that your total meets any minimum required for financing and that your itinerary is eligible, as availability can vary by location and price. Select Affirm to begin a quick eligibility check. You'll be prompted to verify some basic information so Affirm can make a fast decision. This process is typically quick and may include a soft credit inquiry, which doesn't impact your credit score. Keep your billing details consistent and accurate to avoid delays. Once approved, you'll see the available payment plans. These often include monthly installment options with a clear breakdown of the monthly amount, the number of payments, and any interest or fees, if applicable. Look closely at the APR, payment schedule, and total cost over time. Some plans may offer zero interest promotions, while others may include interest. Either way, you'll see the exact terms before you commit. Choose the plan that fits your budget and confirm your selection. Make sure the first payment date and subsequent due dates work for you. If Affirm offers it, consider enabling autopay to avoid missed payments. Confirming your plan will return you to Travelocity to finalize the purchase details. Complete your booking on Travelocity and Affirm will split your total into the installments you selected. You'll receive confirmations from both Travelocity for your itinerary and Affirm for your payment plan. Keep those emails handy, and remember that any changes or cancellations to your trip can affect your financing, so always review policies before modifying anything. And that's it. Your travel is booked, and you're set to pay over time with Affirm on Travelocity. Safe travels and enjoy the trip planning.